I was close. Ocean, okay. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you stopping in the comments and commenting either way. Appreciate you, Ocean. Keep commenting. I don't mind. I'm not gonna read all your comments though. Obviously, you're not right in the head, but hey, we don't judge, brother. We don't judge. Hope you find the help you need and stay commenting, man. Stay dropping comments. I appreciate you more than anything. You don't understand. Good or bad. My guy said comment whatever you want. You do tile work, man. That ain't easy, bro. That ain't easy. My respect to the tile workers. Yeah, Ocean control. It's all good. Keep commenting, Ocean. Keep saying whatever you gotta say, bro. Ain't nobody judging you. We obviously know you're not right in the head, but it's all good. Really don't care what Ocean gotta say, cause he obviously not making no money. Guess what though? Guess how much money we making? Just guess. Just drop a wild guess, Ocean. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you one clue. There's more money than you got in your bank, more money than you make. Dang, y'all hear the bell towers? Y'all hear them, right? This was loose, y'all. This was loose. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to do it while I hold the phone, and while the bell towers going on. Got him. Where's this going, David? Where's this one going? Here, Rich, I'm gonna hand it to you, bro. Hand it to Rich. Hand it to Rich. Rich knows where they're going.
I'm about to put it over there.
You want it?
I'm gonna put, what you think if we put this right here so we don't have to mark it?
Yeah, you know what, X-Tacker, yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. We're resaving them because they're already loose to a certain extent. Some are more loose than others, obviously. There was a lot of water damage going on for a long time. And they're getting, you can't see it no more, but we're up top. Oh, you can see the other one. That dome up top is getting replaced. Yeah, that's 10 o'clock bell. The dome is getting replaced because there was a lot of water coming in and they had everything all wet and loose. Some mortar joints are way more loose than others, like I just showed you. And we're getting new cement, better mortar cement, mortar mix. We're gonna get a better mix, and we're gonna end up installing these new cement. Your church ringing too? Oh, that's tight. That's tight. But yeah, we're saving it. This is a restoration. We can't damage them, so we're being careful, extra careful. I'm gonna get more buckets, David.
I'll get it.
10.
No, I'll go get
You sure? What's that? Que venga entonces. Que venga.